Okay, hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do eyelashes because I get asked quite a lot on my lives on TikTok how I do them. This is like the drawing that I'm doing just now. I've done the top eyelashes and I'm gonna do the bottom eyelashes, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do eyelashes realistically. Okay, you're gonna want to make sure that your paper is has a grid on it before you start, and the reference photo that you're using has a grid on it. Then you're just gonna take a pencil, doesn't matter what kind of pencil it is, and then just following with the grid, you're just gonna start to fill in, like, we'll just draw in shapes that you see from the eyelashes, and you can just do this like section by section sort of thing, and it doesn't need to be perfect because you can literally like fix it when you go in with your black pencil, so it's fine if like you mess up or anything, doesn't matter too much. And then just make sure that you're getting in the shape, and then just kind of repeat this for every one that you do. Just drawing in the rough shape, and then down. This comes down all the way to here, and then this one also comes down here. I know it does look a bit kind of like weird right now, but when you go in and put all of them in, it will look a lot better and it will look more kind of realistic as well. And they're also a lot thicker than this, which you will see shortly coming up. Okay, now that I've just drawn in all of my eyelashes, and I just done this one for a TikTok. So what you're gonna do is take your black pencil now, make sure that it's really sharp, and then you're gonna go in with one of them and just kind of start to where you've done the drawing of it with your pencil, just fill it in with the black and try to kind of make sure that the base is a bit thicker than the tip of it, because that gets really kind of pointy, that part. And then just keep doing this like all over. A little hack that I have, if you start to get like, if your pencil kind of I don't know what the word is, but like the little grains of your pencil, if they start to come off on your drawing, instead of going like that with your hand, get a paintbrush and just sweep it away, and it'll save you from smudging or getting any like marks on your page. It's like quite a good little hack. Another way that I like to do my eyelashes is like starting from the base and doing it quite thick, and then I like to flip my paper upside down like this, so that it's like obviously upside down to me, and then I like to go in little like flicks until I go to the edge of it, and then I just do like one little last flick, and that gives me a really precise and sharp little like flick, so that it's like thin enough for the lash. And then I just go in like a lot thicker until I reach the base where it's at the thickest. Also remember to like keep looking at your reference photos so that you can also see the kind of shape of it, and then just kind of blend it in so it doesn't look really weird, and then going back in with my paintbrush and just going like that to get rid of any like little bits of pencil. And then when I turn it back the right way up, you have your eyelashes, and I'm just going to repeat this step over for the entire thing. That's literally all you need to do. And it gets a little bit different when you get to the closer part of the eye, because for the eyelashes, because they're not as thin, they're quite thick, so I will show you guys what to do for that part when I get to it. So for this next part, this is for the thicker parts of the eye, not the eye, the eyelashes. I've done the rest of them and I'll show them in just a minute. But these parts start to get a bit thicker, so what I've done is I've kind of drawn in where like what I've done is I've done like an outline, and the outline I've done quite like kind of hard so you can see the outline of it, and then inside I've just filled it in quite lightly. So I'm just gonna kind of continue to do that for some of these, because they kind of start quite quick here, because this is just them kind of becoming a little bit like kind of blurred. So I'm just kind of filling them in a little bit. So for some of them you can kind of just leave as that, but the ones here at the edge here, because the eye is blue, they've got a bit of a blue tint to them. So I'm just taking this navy, it's the Prismacolor, it's blue indigo, and I'm just taking that and I'm just kind of filling that in as well as using the black, so that like I've kind of got like two different ones to go off of, and then I can just use my white to kind of blend it out a little bit. And then I'm just going to do the same here with filling it in, just using my blue to fill it in. Same with all of these ones. And then I'm just going to go in with my black and just fill it around. Because it's quite pink, the kind of undertones are a bit more kind of pinky. I'm just gonna take some of my pink to help kind of blend that out, so that there's like a clear kind of defineness between the eyelashes. And then I'm just gonna go in with the black to kind of darken that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna just do the same with these ones. Help kind of show the definition between them. And then going in with my black just to kind of outline some of the ones that are a bit thicker. And then this just helps to kind of blend it out a little bit more as well. Just gonna give it one last sweep. I just use my brush just to get rid of any excess pieces instead of using my hand, because I don't want to smudge anything or get any marks on it. And yeah, and then that's it done. That is literally how I do my eyelashes. This is pretty much it. These are the eyelashes, and then when you kind of zoom far out, these I will be filling in the skin. I'll probably do that on a live on TikTok soon. If you guys want like a tutorial on how to do that, then I'll do that as well. But as a whole, when you look back, it does look like eyelashes all together. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope that this helps, this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.